Alright, so in this video, I want to talk about how ChatGPT can enhance your Pinterest strategy. So I'm going to give you 5 points that are going to help you learn how to use ChatGPT to make more money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So the first way you can use ChatGPT is to brainstorm new ideas. So ChatGPT can help you come up with fresh content ideas for your Pinterest boards and pins. So for example, if you are in the fitness niche, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas on home workout routines or healthy meal prep. And secondly is keyword discovery. So Pinterest relies heavily on search. So using the right keywords is crucial for your Pinterest growth. And ChatGPT can help you find relevant keywords for your Pinterest pins, such as, so for example, if you are in the health and fitness niche or the diet niche, you can search for plant-based meals or quick vegan dinners, and by using the right keywords, this can boost your visibility and help your content get discovered on Pinterest. Using ChatGPT for trend analysis. So staying on top of trends is essential for success on Pinterest. So ChatGPT can identify trending topics in your niche or suggest timely content ideas like back to school hacks or holiday gift guides. For example, during Christmas time, there are certain topics that get more traffic than others. And ChatGPT can help you come up with keywords and ideas around those topics to create content. So another way you can use ChatGPT is to craft compelling titles. So your pin titles need to grab attention, and ChatGPT can help you create catchy titles. Like for example, you can create a title like 5-minute breakfasts that will keep you full all morning instead of generic ones like healthy breakfast ideas. And you can ask ChatGPT to give you like 10 different variations of the same title. And from that, you're going to have a lot of options to choose from. And finally, another thing you can use ChatGPT for is enhancing descriptions. So your Pinterest pin descriptions are crucial for search engine optimization and engaging. And ChatGPT can craft descriptions that not only include keywords, but also encourage users to take action, like clicking through your website or repinning your content. And in this case, since we're doing affiliate marketing, we're going to have call to actions in our descriptions, asking people to click the link on our pin to check out the affiliate product that we're promoting. And that way we're going to get a lot of clicks and hopefully a lot of sales through our affiliate links. Now, there's so many ways you can use ChatGPT to enhance your Pinterest strategy, but these are the basic ones that you can get started with immediately. So throughout this course, I'm going to show you guys some practical steps, and I'm going to use these strategies plus more so that you guys can follow and implement for your own Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. So thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next video.